Hi, today we are going to connect that shower head. So as you can see, I did the cable from here to the MCB, that is the main power unit, so I ran the cable all the way. Let me show you. That is the process. So my switch is going to be over there. Okay, it's not that high, you can switch it on and switch it off. Is the main power unit. So I'm going to add an extra this MCB breaker. Yes, so I'm going to add an extra that specifically for that. I had already run the cables. Here they are. Really did the cable. Here they are. So let's connect. We are going first to start here, then to the switch, then to the shower head. We're going to make sure we switch off the main power supply so that we can connect. This is our breaker. So these are our cables. So on the switch, it has out and then in. So the cable from the main consumer unit is going to be on the in. Now for the shower head, it's going to be fed with the out. Then the first one in, then the second one out. Let's connect from the main power unit. Neutral goes to, let's start with the green cable. The green cable is earth. It goes to any point for earth. There. Now the neutral, the black cable now goes to the neutral port. So for the shower head, we are going to do now earth on the other point. That's it. In, out, neutral. Let's close that point. You buy your shower head, it normally comes like this. It has two white cables and the green one. The green one is the earth. Now for the live and neutral, you can use either, but normally they have indicated. Okay, somewhere this is the live and this is the neutral. It also comes with this small curtain here. This is a rubber. It's used to regulate water pressure. So you put it there. Then we have this pipe. This one, you can decide to use it or not. So I use not to use it. So let's go and connect the shower head to power. cables. So we are going to start with the earth cable. Connect it to the green. So that is it. It's connected. So to cover the joint, I'm going to use a flexible cable.